Human proportion is approximated by the Fibonacci sequence. First, introduction. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. It starts with a 0 and then 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. After the 13th number, when we divide one of the number of this sequence with the previous number, the result is fixed in 1.618, or it's called golden ratio. Golden ratio can be found in nature and it describes balance. One of them, it can be found in human. In a thesis by Mardiati in 2018, it states that the golden ratio can be found in the proportion of the human body. It says that the distance between the sole of the foot to the tip of the head divided with the distance between the navel and the sole of the foot is 1.618, or golden ratio. Unfortunately, the detail regarding about does these findings have been tested on human or still just a theoretical are not listed in this thesis. And also whether does this ratio is in all individual body or just in the human with the certain proportions are also not thoroughly explained, which makes a limitation for this thesis. In fact, humans are diverse. Humans have different genders, different age, different height, different weight, and having different ratio very likely happened. Therefore, in this study, us as researchers will doing experiment with the participant, real human with different characteristics to prove about this thesis and know does this statement is true or not. Second one is methodology. There are some parts of a methodology. The first one is method. The method that we use is qualitative approach and data collection techniques with documentation. There are two things that we are going to measure. The first one is the distance between the sole of the foot and the tip of the head. The second one is the distance between the navel and also the sole of the foot. For the second one is participants. There are 5 volunteers of varying age, gender, height, and weight. And the third one is measurement standard indicator. We use it by the Dr. Diah Novita to get accurate result. There are 5 points or 5 rules that all participants should follow these 5 rules to get the accurate data from all the participants. And then the fourth one is data processing. After we get the number, after we measure, we divide it and we got the ratio. The ratio is things that we are going to focus on and we are going to categorize it. How we categorize it is we look into the previous research conducted by KWQ Chu 2012. There are 4 categories. The main category is that first one is the ratio is said to be close if it is in the range of 1.5 until 1.7. The second one is the ratio is said to be very close if it is in the range of 1.6. And the third one is the ratio is said to be the golden ratio if it is exactly 1.618. And the fourth one, a ratio is not a golden ratio, not even close, if it is not in the range of 1.5 until 1.7. The third one is result and analysis. The results they are in the table, presented in the table. So based on the results, there are 4 points of the results. The first one is there is no golden ratio. There is no participants who has exactly 1.618. And the second one is none of the participants were far from the golden ratio. The third one is 4 participants have a ratio that are close with the golden ratio. And in the fourth one, there is 1 participant who has ratio that are very close with the golden ratio. So the 5 participants have close to the golden ratio, or 1.618. The results of this study may raise questions. Why is the distance is close to the golden ratio? Well, it has a correlation with this research before that one of the main role of the navel is as the center of the gravity in the human body, said Swandari 2015. And also, based on the book by Panero and Zelnick in 1979, Vitufrius explained that the navel is considered to be the center point of human body. So it has correlation because navel is also one of the part that we measure. The last one is conclusion and future work. So human body proportion is very greatly between individuals. Even humans who have the golden ratio may be very rare. However, this study has proven that the ratio is one of the proportion of the human body, and with ratios ranging from 1.5 to 1.6. Researchers hope that the further researchers can use more varied participants from various other aspects. In addition, it can also measuring instruments with measurement indicators that are more accurate and can be extended to other body parts. Thank you.